pia uhondo. Hey. Somebody and shared that thing and then chua. Nilikuwa nimeiona wapi? Somebody had shared with me the itinerary, but let me see. Maybe it is in one of our channels. Maybe nilikuwa nimeiona YouTube somewhere. But nilikuwa nimeona itinerary, so wacha niwaeleze hiyo itinerary. Hi Madam Bosso. Itinerary inasema ataenda Nyandarua. You will go to Kirinyaga. So from the itinerary, ataenda Murang'a. You will go to Meru and Tharaka Nithi. So the itinerary has changed to 5 counties instead of 11. So Embu is not part of it. So Embu ni kama imetolewa kwa equation. Kiambu, there's nothing, and Nyeri. So those are 2 places ambazo, 3 places I can confirm in the itinerary story haiko. So I think pia Kirinyaga ataenda, by the way. So please, hizo base mzito anaenda, lazima mtu represent, because sasa ndio mumeamua kukaribisha. So in which country? Bado wanathreaten watu ati military inasema aje? Ati military inasema ati kama ni Ruto must go, it must be Ruto must go within the constitution. That's a very big statement to analyze. Ruto must go within constitutional means. Wow. Watu walichoka kitambo. Sijui kwa nini military wanaona ni kama watu wamechoka saa hii. I think, and it was very unwise. The Kenyan military was not supposed to get out. I don't know why they decided to get out. So when they got out, ni kama kuna uwezekano they are co-working with the Kaongo. So I think that one was very, kuna vile ni kama hawashikanishi hii mambo. You should not get out. The military should be always apolitical. So Dr. Maina karibu. So military kwa inafaa kutokezea. So on that one I don't appreciate. Lakini ebu muniambie hii story ya ati Kalonzo anataka kuongea na watu. With those 2 people. Anataka kwenda kwa diet ama? Does Bwana Kalonzo want to go to the guys? That one was extremely wrong. They were not supposed to do that. Kenyan military did very wrong to actually appear and seem like they are supporting the government. Salome Ngoge karibu sana. So that one was very, very dangerous. Let me say that. It was very dangerous. So sasa unaona sasa, na hakuna kitu mbaya kama sasa watu kudetect ni kama military na co-work with the government, especially for bad things. So Kenyans do not trust the government. Can you imagine now Wakenya sasa wafike level they don't trust the military, and we don't trust the judiciary. Tukiruhusu trust, actually hao watu kile wanaitisha hawajui. They are doing very, very bad work. Tukilose hope na all institutions in the government, it will be difficult to talk about anything. So mimi tu ningewaomba na ningewasia kwamba at least wapate hiyo nafasi ya to remain a political the way they want. Otherwise the military cannot behave that way. Can you imagine? The executive is gone. The executive is gone. The judiciary is gone. The military is gone. So kumaanisha everything is functioning for Kaongo. So kwa hivyo kumaanisha sasa sisi raia tumebaki peke yetu. That is what people will not appreciate.